NAV Prime Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card in your wallet could quietly build your business credit while you sleep? That is the promise behind the NAV Prime Card. And most people get this card wrong because they think it is just another business card. The surprising truth is that it works very differently from traditional business credit cards. The NAV Prime Card is designed for small business owners who want to build business credit without using their personal credit. Instead of reporting to personal credit bureaus, this card reports your activity to major business credit bureaus. That means every on-time payment helps strengthen your company's financial identity. You won't believe what happens next, because strong business credit can unlock vendor accounts, higher trade limits, and even business loans without personal guarantees. Many lenders look at your business credit profile before offering financing, and this card helps you start building that profile from day one. The NAV Prime Card requires a monthly membership fee rather than a traditional annual fee. That fee also includes access to business credit monitoring tools, alerts, and reports that show how your business is viewed by lenders. Now here is the part most people miss. This card is not meant for earning travel rewards or cashback. It is a credit-building tool. If you are looking for perks, you will be disappointed. But if your goal is to establish or repair your business credit profile, this card can be extremely valuable. So who should get it? New business owners, side hustlers, and entrepreneurs who want to separate personal and business credit. Who should skip it? Anyone who already has strong business credit or wants travel perks. Verdict: worth it for business credit building. Otherwise, leave it.